Hi, my name is Tracy Ballin, celebrity hairstylist and owner of Coif by Tracy Ballin. Today I'll be showing you how to grow your hair back after removing braided extensions. Now, the number one thing that you should know, and the most important thing that you should know, is after taking out extensions, you should go without putting in new extensions for at least 1 week to 2 weeks. It's best the longer you can do without the extensions after taking them out is best, and you can go with wigs in between that time. But right now, when you take them out, you should always wait at least 1 week. Now to grow it out. When you first take out extensions, you're gonna see that you have a whole bunch of split ends and your scalp needs some treatment. You should always start with Nioxin Scalp Renewal. You'll need gloves for this. Step one, when putting scalp renewal in the head, you always start at the front of the hairline. You run it through the front and you start to work it back 1/4 centimeter at a time. Running it through, rubbing it in, running it through, rubbing it in, running it through, rubbing it in. Going all the way back to the back of the hair. Starting from the front. You do this throughout the whole head and let it stand with no heat for 10 minutes. You then rinse out the scalp renewal and you follow through with Nioxin Cleanser number 5. Number 5 for my model today because she has natural hair, but there are other numbers for chemically treated and or thin hair. After washing out the shampooed hair, you then follow through with the Nioxin scalp therapy and you leave that on for 5 minutes. For a deeper conditioner, you would use a shower cap and place it on the hair and let it sit under the dryer for about 5 to 10 minutes. You then remove that and wash it all out with lukewarm water and style as usual. And that's the way you go about regrowing a healthy head of hair after extensions. Thank you. I'm Tracy Ballin.